2 upon 10 under cube root. How to rationalize the denominator? Now, when a is under nth root, then this means a is raised to the power of 1 upon n. If we have to remove this exponent, then we need a whole number here. So how much you should add in 1 upon n to make it 1? To check that, what we do, we subtract it from 1. So 1 minus 1 upon n, it will be, you keep the denominator 1 here, LCM is n divided by 1 is n, then n times 1 is n. So it is n minus 1 upon n, or we can write it as n minus 1 times 1 upon n. If nth root of a is in the denominator and we have to rationalize it, then we need to multiply and divide it by nth root of a raised to the power of n minus 1, because a raised to the power of n minus 1 times 1 upon n. 1 upon n will mean nth root of a. When we multiply and divide it by nth root of a raised to the power of n minus 1, then what will happen? In the denominator, this means 1 upon a raised to the power of 1 upon n times. Now when you multiply and divide it by a raised to the power n minus 1 under nth root, what happens? You write nth root of a raised to the power n minus 1 upon, here it is a raised to the power n minus 1 upon n. Now bases are same. There is an identity, a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n, then this is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. So here we add the exponent. So here a raised to the power 1 upon n plus n minus 1 upon n. We have to add the exponents. Now add the fractions, 1 plus n minus 1. So this will be 1 and 1 cancelled. It is a raised to the power n upon n, and this n and this n gets cancelled. So it will be equal to a. Now in the denominator you have a whole number. That is why when there is nth root and you have to rationalize it, you multiply and divide it by nth root of a raised to the power of n minus 1. Now here we have 2 upon cube root of 10. So third root of 10, we multiply and divide it by n minus 1 in the exponent. 10 raised to the power n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 under cube root. So it is equal to 2 times cube root of 10 square upon, here we have 3 minus 1. So cube root of 10 times cube root of 10 square, or this we can write it as 2 times cube root of 100 upon cube root 10 times 10 square, because under root a times under root b is equal to under root a times b. That's how we have written this. So it will be 2 times cube root of 100 upon, this is 10 cube, because it is in the form of a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n, and this means a raised to the power m plus n. So 10 raised to the power 1 plus 2 is 10 raised to the power 3. Then under cube root means it is raised to the power of 1 upon 3, or it is 2 times cube root of 100 upon, this 3 and this 3 gets cancelled, upon 10, because it is in the form of a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n, and it is equal to a raised to the power m times n. So 10 raised to the power 3 times 1 upon 3. So this 3 and this 3 gets cancelled. Or divide both 2 and 10 by 2. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 5 is 10. So answer is cube root of 100 upon 5. This is our answer. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.